just made it to Catalina, and it's my first time ever being here, and I'm gonna do a dive, 4 dives, 3 in the day and 1 at night. And it's gonna be super sick, and I'm more than stoked. I got my open water certificate for scuba diving in Costa Rica, and I've only been in the Caribbean, you know, to do dives. So here I am at Catalina Island. I can't wait. 2 dives tomorrow, 1 dive Saturday morning, and 1 dive Saturday night. I'm really excited for the night dive because I've never ever done that, and I can't wait.